Hello everybody! As most of you already know because I posted about it online, I retired, yay, about a week ago. And I've had a ton of people asking me, what are you going to do when you're retired? What are you going to do when you're retired? And if any of you know me at all, you probably have an idea of the first thing I'm going to do now that I'm retired. Yeah, I'm going to clean my house top to bottom. Every little nook and cranny is going to be clean as a whistle. Today was the first day I started in on this endeavor, and I have cleaned the top cupboards all around my kitchen. I took everything out, cleaned the stuff that was in my cupboards, put everything back after wiping the shelves down. But the hardest part of doing that job was the very tippy top on top of my cupboards, because it's been a long time since I've done it. It was a greasy mess. So I wanted to give you a little demo of how I tackled all that grease that was on top, because right now, you know, I have a little bit of a deal going on for the UPP, the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. That's what I use to clean the top of my cupboard. So I wanted to give you a little heads up of another use besides laundry for that. So I'm going to pan this video down and show you a little piece of a shelf that was sitting on top of my cupboards. So this kind of gives you an idea of what the top of my cupboards looked like and what I had to, let's see, okay, right there, and what I had to do to clean it off. So here is the grimy, I can hardly even look at, with my finger. It is so sticky and so bad. So I can use an EnviroCloth and get that off, yes, but it would take quite a long time because look at all that grease that's built up on there. It's disgusting. So what I did instead is I always have a bottle that I label UPP that has just water and a little tiny bit of Ultra Power Plus in it. So I'm going to spray the top of that, and that's exactly what I did to my cupboard. And when I did the cupboards, the top of my cupboards, actually I did that and I let it sit for a little tiny bit. And then I went back, let's see, I'm not letting it sit as long this time, but let's see what happens. Oh, don't even need to. Look at that. Look how it just practically wipes right off all of that gunk and all of that stuff. Boy, was that thick. And here's another little tip. When I have a big cleaning project like that to do, you would think I would go grab my great big EnviroCloth and do the whole thing. No, I like to use lots of little travel EnviroCloths, and I even have some EnviroCloths that I cut into quarters because I would much rather use a cloth like this. Oops, I didn't spray that side. Use a cloth like this for a little bit and then set it aside when it starts to get really grungy and grab another fresh one so that I can keep going with a fresh one. That way I don't have to go back and keep rinsing out at the sink as frequently. Woo! That didn't work very well. Good thing they're very sturdy and they have that silicone bottom, because that just fell right on the floor. Okay. There you have it. All right, so there you have it. And don't forget, I have a special deal going on right now for UPP. Russell's fixing the cupboard that I broke when I was doing all of that cleaning. One of the hinges just broke right off. Anyway, I have a deal going on right now for UPP, so scroll back through and you can find out about that if you're interested. And now is the perfect time because Norwex is offering free shipping on any order, I think $99 or more. For the next day or two. So you can scroll back and find information about that also. I guess that's it. I will touch back with you guys with probably another video when I dive into another project in my house at some point. So have a great Christmas season coming up, and I hope you had a great Thanksgiving.